Hey everyone, it's me, Sam, from the Coastal Watershed Council. And today,
Thanks, Sam. This is our Make It Rain experiment. Here's Sam again.
all we needed to use for this study is a sponge and a cup full of water. The idea is that we're going to get the sponge wet in the water and then we're just going to make it rain by squeezing the sponge onto different surfaces to watch what happens. Let's start by investigating what happens when we squeeze water on rocks. Will the rocks absorb the water or will the water slide right off?
Thanks, Sam. What did you notice happening to the water?